you just sold your first IO Pro 3D. Now let me walk you through how you unbox your device and set up the service for your customer. And the first thing that you'll notice is it says, stop, read me first for models IO 3D and the IO Pro. And what you'll see right here is that you can open this up, and this is a great little thing for the reps or for the customer that just has, if they need any support, the customer support phone number, different type of setup information, how to power on the device, so on and so forth. So definitely a pretty little neat tip right there. You'll be able to access like the IMEI information, and remember this is a dual SIM device, so very uniquely this actually has 2 IMEI numbers right here on the outside. Really, really nice carrying case. So this is made out of hard plastic, so customers can also use this to carry other things or their phone with all the accessories that are inside. It has the name of the model of the device, the ROK logo. And as you open it up, again, it's a really nice opening experience, and it comes with a bunch of accessories inside already. So first thing that it comes with is a nice USB cable. And they'll be able to use this for data transferring, for charging their phone, connecting it to their car. Now, the second accessory that it comes with for free is a great case for the phone. Now remember, if you're removing your SIM card, you need that little pin to take out the SIM card from one phone and put it in your new ROK phone. The actual device right here. So now the great thing with this phone is that it already has the battery built in. So once you take it right out of the box, you can just power it on with the power button that's on the right hand side of the phone. And really is just a beautiful form design of the phone. It's super slick. See back here, it has another listed out the IMEIs again. And you can go ahead and remove this plastic, of course. And now the startup screen. So all of the ROKiT phones, the smartphones, have built-in Android. So you're gonna come into the generic Android screen. Now this is if you have a SIM card. You wanna make sure that you enter SIM card into the phone, a working SIM card. So this is how it should look, right? And remember that this SIM card is actually dual SIM, right? So you have 2 spaces for SIMs. You have both here, so you should just be able to put it in. So this one, we're gonna go and connect to Wi-Fi. And then you can set up your date and time. So we're on Pacific time. Now you wanna put the name of the phone, and then this name of the phone, once you put this name, this is where the name that your computer will identify it with, if it's on Wi-Fi service or anything like that. In this area, you can set up your fingerprint technology, so use your fingerprint to unlock the phone or approve purchases. We'll set up fingerprint and a PIN number. And then that is my PIN. Now it says to set up the sensor, we want to touch the back of the phone, right? Using our index finger. So just to show you, this is where that fingerprint sensor is built in. But when you're setting it up, you want to hold it naturally so that it's set up the same way that you are actually going to unlock the phone. Now, fingerprint added. Next, Google services. So this is asking about finding your location or allowing them to take your location data. And generally, you're going to use your GPS. You're going to use apps that require the application to know where you're at. So you definitely want to get that set up. Okay, and now after that setup, we are inside of the device, and you can access all of your different apps from here. Now, once you're logged into your customer's phone, one of the first things that you want to make sure you do is update all the applications, and very important, especially ROK Launch Control. And you just click on Play Store, go to the browser, click on My Apps and Games, and then go ahead and click on Updates. And you can click on the refresh button, and that will actually search any of the apps that you have on the phone that are eligible for an update. If you can't find that specific update, then you could just search the application that you want to update. In our case, it's usually going to be ROK Launch Control. You can search that, and that will pull it up. You click here, and it will let you know if you have the most updated version. And for us here, we do have the most updated version. So next thing to do is to go to the My ROKiT folder on your home screen and click the ROK Launch Control application. It's going to remind you to be connected to Wi-Fi and perform any updates. To continue, you just click right back, the back button on your screen, and click log into Launch Control one more time. The first thing it asks is for a cell phone number. And the reason why you send them that cell phone number is for verification. So they're gonna send a PIN to that cell phone number. As you saw, it's over here. Your ROKiT verification code is 5922. So we're gonna type that in. And then it's gonna ask you to enter your mobile number. I'm gonna go ahead and enter that there. And then since you haven't created your account yet, you can't put in a password, but you have to click on create a password. Then it's gonna tell you to create that password and to confirm it. So now my account is registered, and you can see that the updated account holder, what type of plan I'm on, is uploaded into the ROK Launch app. And now I can even see all the different services that are included. So I see telemedicine, pharmacy savings, my ROK Talk app, and even all the apps that are included under our ROK Media and additional applications. Say we want to get into telemedicine. We would click on that telemedicine logo, and now we get to see what our policy number is, and it gives us some very specific instructions on how to utilize our service and what's included within the plan. If you're able to see it, we'll tell you to register and create your personal profile on memd.me/group/ROK. And this is a website that you can access on your laptop, on your cell phone, and this will help you create your personal profile, as well as give you an additional email for you to download the telemedicine application right onto your phone. Pharmacy savings. So this is another service that you'll go online. You'll go to wellrx.com/RxDiscount-card/enroll so that you can register for your own personal profile and account where you'll be able to utilize pharmacy savings. So now, when it comes to telemedicine, once you register your service and your personal profile on MeMD and you download the application, then your actual unique information from a telemedicine perspective will now be uploaded and updated in the ROK Launch Control application itself. So essentially, you'll have one app, one interface for all your life services. You can actually add our other services that are included in ROK Services if you click on the button called Manage Services. Now what will happen is it's going to pull up a page that has all the different add-on services and the price point. And it gives the customer the ability to add to cart and then to include that into their registration. The ROKiT Life Services work with all of our phones, including the flip phone and the feature phone. Congratulations, you just learned how easy it is to set up a customer's IO Pro 3D. Now that customer can go out and enjoy all the features and benefits that are included in their phone. Remember, you only have one life, rock it.